So you are testing if the average battery life is 1000 hours or not, right? But what is interesting here is you are like the decision rule is just arbitrarily chosen. Right? You are going to reject the null hypothesis if the observation is different from your hypothesis by more than 25 hours. So that means you are going to reject the null hypothesis if x bar is less than 1000 minus 25 or x bar is greater than 1000 plus 25. So you allow 25 as the margin of error. Otherwise, you are going to reject the null hypothesis. And we are calculating type 1 error probability, which means you are calculating probability of rejection when H0 is true. Okay, so as I said, rejection happens when x bar is less than 975 or x bar is greater than 1025. Okay, so we are going to calculate that. How do we do that? We know x bar is normal distribution, so we are going to standardize that. So x bar will be normalized to z, standard normal, and 97.5 minus the mean is correctly 1000, and standard deviation is given here, 500, and sample size is given here, square root of 900. So that is one standardization, and you are going to do the same thing on the other side. 1025 minus mean divided by standard deviation over square root of the sample size. Okay, calculate those numbers, then you will get it's just minus 1.5. Okay, so we are calculating in the bell curve, we are calculating minus 1.5 plus 1.5 and their outside probabilities, right? So you can use, actually they are the same numbers, same probability each side. So you can calculate one probability and double that. And if you do that, you'll find the probability is 13.3614 something %. So the answer is C.